Tracking and monitoring your SEO performance with Serpstat. In today's competitive world, achieving goals and driving traffic can only be done if you regularly monitor your SEO efforts. In this video, we're discussing Serpstat, a powerful tool, empowers businesses with data and insights to stay ahead and unleash their online potential. Watch the video till the end to explore how Serpstat revolutionizes SEO performance, becoming the game changer for achieving excellence. The importance of tracking and monitoring SEO performance. Tracking and monitoring SEO performance is essential for data-driven insights and improvement. Metrics like keyword rankings, organic traffic, CTR, and conversion rates provide a detailed understanding of SEO effectiveness. Real-time tracking allows businesses to stay agile, adapt to algorithm changes, and identify issues promptly for content optimization and improved user engagement, leading to higher search engine rankings. How Serpstat can help you analyze and improve your website's SEO metrics. Serpstat offers comprehensive SEO data and analytics, providing valuable insights into website metrics like keyword research, competitor analysis, and backlink monitoring. With real-time data, it allows tracking performance over time. Serpstat's actionable insights also facilitates continuous improvement by offering step-by-step recommendations. 1. Setting up rank tracking campaigns. In Serpstat, creating rank tracking campaigns is easy with an intuitive interface. Select a domain, target location, search engine, keywords, project name, and update frequency to launch the campaign accurately. Utilize Serpstat's keyword research tool to find relevant and effective keywords, considering long-tail keywords, user intent, and industry-specific terms for better audience targeting. Customize rank tracking settings, such as search engine, location, and tracking frequency, to ensure precise and real-time updates as needed. 2. Analyzing backlinks and identifying link-building opportunities. Serpstat's backlink analysis feature enables you to evaluate and monitor your website's backlink profile, identifying high-quality backlinks and potential link-building opportunities. Additionally, you can monitor your backlink growth and gain insights into competitors' link-building strategies for a stronger online presence. 3. Using Serpstat's site audit tool. A well-optimized website is vital for SEO success, as search engines prioritize user experience. Serpstat's site audit tool simplifies the process by scanning websites, identifying issues, and providing detailed reports on technical aspects and performance metrics, enabling businesses to optimize their website structure and improve rankings. 4. Interpreting and utilizing SEO performance metrics. Serpstat offers dozens of SEO metrics, enabling users to understand their website's performance, analyze visibility, traffic, and keyword rankings, and optimize their SEO strategies for continuous improvement and competitive advantage. With actionable insights and real-time monitoring, Serpstat empowers users to navigate the digital landscape effectively and reach their goals. 5. Creating custom reports and dashboards. Serpstat empowers you to customize reports, presenting your SEO performance data in a clear and concise manner. Its dashboard feature provides real-time insights, helping you stay ahead by identifying opportunities and issues, making data-driven decision-making seamless and efficient.